Hello everyone, welcome to my channel VIDYA'S Ideas. If you're new here, then don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell icon to receive all the updates. Today, I am going to share a very special lip-smacking sweet dish recipe which is one of my favorites. This dish brings back all my nostalgic childhood memories. My mom used to prepare this dish for almost every special occasion that you can name. The name of this recipe is Moong dal ki kheer or Cherupayar Parippu Payasam. This recipe requires the use of some very special ingredients like Cherupayar Parippu or Moong dal or split and skinned green gram, Jaggery, fresh coconut milk, clarified butter or ghee and some cashews. The rest all depends upon how you magically mix it and prepare it. Let's get started. We will start from scratch by extracting fresh coconut milk from 200 grams of grated coconut. For this, I am going to use a blender. Put the grated coconut into the blending jar. I am going to do this in 2 batches. Without the addition of any water, blend it for a minute. You may have to shake the jar occasionally to combine them well. Empty the ground coconut into a bowl. Now, as you see in the video, squeeze the ground coconut to extract the coconut milk through a strainer. This is our first extracted coconut milk, which is thicker and rich in coconut cream. I was able to extract around 3/4 of the creamier coconut milk. Pour around half a cup of lukewarm water into the leftover ground coconut and repeat the whole extraction process. It is time to extract all the remaining goodness from the leftover ground coconut and make our second and third extracts of the coconut milk. The coconut milk which is extracted the second time is less creamier. I repeated the process thrice. Please do note that with every extraction, the coconut milk becomes less creamy. As all the special ingredients are ready, let's start by heating a clean pressure cooker. Once the pressure cooker turns hot, add 3 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee into it. Maintain low flame. Once the ghee melts, add a handful of cashews into the ghee. Fry them till they turn golden and aromatic. Strain them out and keep them aside. To the same hot ghee, let's add washed and strained split and skinned green gram or moong dal or Cherupayar Parippu. I have added 200 grams of moong dal. Continue to mix it till it turns aromatic. Meanwhile, let's melt jaggery to make a syrup. You can take around 200 to 250 grams of jaggery based on your sweetness preference. Put the jaggery into the vessel and add a cup of water to it. Let it come to a boil and simmer for a while till the jaggery melts. Don't forget to occasionally stir fry the lentils. After the lentils turn aromatic, remove half of the lentils to a bowl. We will continue stirring the lentils in the pressure cooker for some more time. In a while, I will explain why I did this. You see the difference? Mix everything together and pour some water into the pressure cooker. The less fried lentils will become mushy as we pressure cook them, while the other half of the lentils will remain intact, giving some pieces to bite into it as we eat the pudding. Let's pressure cook the lentils for 2 whistles. Meanwhile, don't forget to keep a check on the simmering jaggery syrup on low flame. Once the pressure is released, pour the third extracted coconut milk. Stir it well and let it simmer for a while. As it simmers, close it with a lid. After some time, stir it and mash it gently with the help of a ladle. Now pour the jaggery syrup through a strainer. Mix it well and add the second extract of the coconut milk. Let it simmer again till it thickens. Don't forget to stir it occasionally. After a while, you will see the ghee separating on the top. This is a perfect time to add the first extracted coconut milk. You can see that almost half of this milk is just the cream. After you add the first extracted coconut milk, as soon as it comes to a boil, turn off the flame. Add the fried cashews and a pinch of cardamom powder. And mix it well. Our Moong dal ki kheer or Cherupayar Parippu Payasam is ready. Serve it piping hot. You can also let it cool down and chill it in the refrigerator to serve it cool. Have it your way. Hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, then please do like, share and subscribe. We'll soon meet with some other videos. Until then, Vidya, signing off.